So apparently I'm gross. I'm a nasty gal, according to some of you. And I'm going to be honest, I'm a little shocked. I'm a little shooketh because the things you're calling me gross for are not the things that I do or don't do that I would think, okay, yeah, they got a point. No. So what y'all are calling me gross for, yeah, I never would have suspected that is what I'd be known for being gross for. Apparently because I don't wash my chicken. I'm gross. That's the reason. That's the reason. I'm not gonna lie to you. In my 30 years of existence, I have never seen an individual wash their raw chicken before cooking it. Never. At this point, I'm like, I got beef with mom and dad. I need to talk to mom and dad. They didn't raise me right, obviously, because people are telling me I'm gross. So I go to mom and dad. I'm like, hey, why didn't y'all teach me to wash my chicken? They look at me like, lock her up, don't let her out, okay? So I asked some other people from where I'm from about washing their chicken. They look at me like I'm from Planet X. So what do? I go to the Google, and apparently like washing your chicken is a thing for some people. Now, I don't know if this is a regional, cultural, a custom or tradition that your old granny did back in the day. I don't know, babe. I don't know. But Google says you actually put yourself at more risk by washing your chicken, spreading that manila. You know what I'm saying? Because you're going to get all those germs in your sink and on your counters. Handle the chicken as little as possible. I obey my mom and dad and the Google. I'm not going to wash my chicken. No, I'm not. So, I guess I'm just a nasty, dirty girl. But listen, if you want to wash your chicken, I'm all for it, babe. You do you. I still love and support you.